In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background in Lightroom Mobile and iPad in a quick, simple, and beginner-friendly way. Whether you want a soft blurred background or you want to change the background color for a more creative look, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look for the masking tool. It usually appears as a circle icon, and this is where the magic happens. Tap on masking, then choose Subject. Lightroom will automatically detect the person or main subject in your photo and create a mask around it. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to manually outline everything yourself. Now, if you want to edit only the background, tap Invert. This switches the selection so the background is selected instead of the subject. That means any edits you make now will only affect the background area. Let's start with method 1, which is the quick blur look. After inverting the mask, go to the Effects panel. Here, reduce clarity to somewhere around -20 to -50, depending on how soft you want the background to look. Then lower texture as well, around -20 to smooth out the details. If needed, reduce sharpness too. These three adjustments work together to make the background look more blurred and natural, without making the photo look overly edited. This is a great option if you want your subject to stand out more and keep the image looking clean and realistic. Now let's move on to method 2, which is changing the background color. Again, start with masking, select Subject, and tap Invert so the background is selected. This time, instead of Effects, go to Color. Here you can change the overall tone of the background using Temp and Tint. If you want a warmer background, move Temp slightly to the right. If you want a cooler look, move it to the left. Tint can help you add a green or magenta shift, depending on the style you want. You can also adjust saturation to make the background more vibrant or more muted. If you want more control, open Color Mix and fine-tune individual colors in the background. This is especially useful if your background has walls, skies, or other colors you want to customize. The key is to make small changes and preview your image as you go, so the edit looks intentional and professional. If the background becomes too strong, just lower the intensity a bit until it blends nicely with the subject. And that's it. Those are 2 easy ways to change the background in Lightroom Mobile and iPad. You can create a soft blurred look or completely change the background tone in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide.